श्रीरामना मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित ध्रुवदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी
This day is the most important day because this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gokhale and many others devoted to their entry life to protect our country.
देश के निवासी सभी जन एक है रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है बोले गुलाब जोगी चंबा चमेली
Are you Harijan? Yes sir, I am a poor man. I'll give you one water. Sir please. Go away. Sir please, go away. Hey, come here. Where are you? Rudra, where are you? Sir, did you call me? Yes, call. I finished my kitchen task.
Exactly. How we are thought of our goals in freedom. Enjoying the absolute freedom that assure quality, enjoyment, etc. without any discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, region, etc.
Let us pay tribute to Rabindranath Tagore's poem which convey all these ideas where the mind is without fear.
Let me recite it. Where the mind is without fear. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic. We are not Hindus, Christians or Muslims. We are Indians.